Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by setting up a brand account and connecting it to your business email so ownership is clear. Next, define your audience and pick 3 content pillars. This gives direction and repeatable topics. Once done, plan a cadence, for example, 2 uploads per week, and produce a pilot video with a clear script, a 1280 by 720 thumbnail, and initial SEO tags so YouTube can start categorizing your channel. You now focus on optimization and growth. Write keyword-driven titles under 70 characters and craft descriptions that include 1-2 primary keywords in the first 100 words. Use timestamps, end screens, and cards to guide viewers to more content and increase session time. Make thumbnails bold and consistent to improve CTR. Then analyze analytics weekly. Watch time and retention tell you what to double down on, while CTR reveals which thumbnails or titles need tweaking. Iterate rapidly. You finish by moving toward monetization and scalable workflows. Aim for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours to join the partner program, or set up alternative revenue like sponsorships and product links earlier. Once eligible, automate batch editing and repurpose long videos into shorts and social clips to widen reach. If performance dips, troubleshoot. Audit recent thumbnails, traffic sources, and title change.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.